Welcome to the next part of this exercise. Now and before we continue with the development of the structure, let's make a small parenthesis to take a second quick look at the designing of custom connections. To begin with, and as we have seen in the previous lesson, there's two main methods in which we can produce a custom connection. However, the disadvantage of using a custom connection is that we won't have the opportunity of directly checking its design in relation to the defined internal forces and required design code. So here we have this new connection now properly defined, and thus we could place it throughout the structure if need be. As an example, let's quickly change the connection on the opposite side of the frame. And to begin with, let's remove the currently present connection, and next let's go to the connection tool and simply place the connection that we need, or the custom base plate connection. And let's remember which members we should pick depends on the particular way in which we define the generic connection. For instance, and for this particular connection, this column will suffice. And here we have this custom connection, now correctly positioned. And as we can see, a custom connection can be obtained from either a previously present connection or from a group of separated components, such as plates and bolts, or those components we can find in this area. Finally, and if we need to incorporate any of these connections into a different structure, the simplest way to do it is by copying the needed connection and paste it into the target project. But let's move on and continue with the development of the structure.